I'm Patricia White, the Assistant Financial Services Director in the economically resilient City of Tamarac. On September 12th, our Commission will vote to establish the fiscal year 2023 budget that was first proposed during the June budget workshop. For the next few weeks, our finance team will provide updates to help you better understand this important process. I will begin with property taxes. Did you know that your property taxes help pay for crucial city services? On July 13th, the Commission established the proposed millage rate, which determines your maximum property tax amount for the coming year. Each year, the Broward County Property Appraiser officially determines the taxable value of all properties in the county and calculates your property taxes based on the millage rates set by various taxing authorities. Starting in 2022, Tamarac's millage rate has been 7.2000. Here's how to calculate your property taxes for the year. For a $100,000 property, divide that number by 1,000, then multiply it by Tamarac's millage rate of 7.2000. That's $720. That's the taxes that will be paid to the City of Tamarac for that property. The property appraiser sends you a trim notice. This is part of the Florida Truth in Millage Act that is designed to inform taxpayers of the amount of tax liability each taxpayer owes. Remember to look for your trim notice in the mail. The property appraiser usually mails it to you in August. This notice provides an estimate of your annual property tax bill.